altogether. Shadowman is going to be number one. Payout 3.7k this time. Like what I see, and I see what I like. Where I'm from Latvia, by the way. You know, the Baltic states? Yeah, the Baltic states. It's up north, I would say. A little bit northeast of Europe. All right, there we go. Yet another spin is in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Well, looks like we still got plenty of time left in this one. Cash Hunt 4X, by the way. Cash Hunt 4X. Come on, Cash Hunt. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. And you didn't. Hey, everybody. Once again, we got a situation back to back. Come on, you gotta love it. Seriously, guys, now we got the chance. First things first, the multipliers that we see. We gotta stop somewhere, guys. We gotta stop somewhere. All right, looks like, ladies and gentlemen, we got the 4X on top. So everything we see here, boom, multiplied 4 times. Well, that's what I'm talking about. A lot of hundreds right there, ladies and gentlemen. 400X, the highest one we can get. Let's go, come on. Ba-ba-ba-ba-da. That's what I'm talking about. Cash Hunt is always like, well, a nice thing to have. Well, let me tell you that. All right, the whole shuffle happening right now. Well, soon enough, you have some decisions to make. Well, and it happens right now. You gotta choose that location where you want to shoot for. And hopefully exactly that location is gonna be the one for you. Well, the highest multiplier is 400X, by the way. Whew. Definitely sounds good. I'm not gonna get even near the wall. I'm just gonna wait for it. You know, we gotta get that big reveal. And here it is. All right, a lot of hundreds over the place, and 200s and 400s. Can't even find it, you know, how good multipliers we have. But congratulations rounds at the moment. So it seems we got another round to play. Yeah, we do. We do. We wish you all the worst to your phone. Well, July, I wish completely the opposite of that, you know. I don't even know you, so how could I hate you if I don't even know you? I think it makes a lot of sense. But I guess we all have our own way to go with these things. So Pachinko 2X, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. What do we have now? Well, Pachinko is pretty close there. Come on, Pachinko, don't let us down this time, buddy. No, it won't. All right, Pachinko, and not just like that, but we do have the 2X on top of it. All right, welcome back to the Pachinko, everybody. Let's do this one more time. One more time. We've got to have not only the multipliers we received in the beginning, but also everything's going to be multiplied 2 times. Yes, 2 times. So we want to see something nice. Come on. Starting with the 7 now we hear. What else? 10X, 15. Got to get higher than that. 35, 40, hundreds. All right. Let's double the fun, ladies and gentlemen. And all right, so looks like the 200X it is. Good luck, everybody. Let's do this. Guys, support the puck as well. Positive vibes only, right? Positive vibes only. Well, the 200 is there in the area. Come on. Yes. Woo. Come on, that's what I'm talking about. 200X, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations.
Winners of the one. Gene, Sunny, Jenny, Kevin, Raji, Tom, and Rizal. Congratulations. Everything with 3's join us for another round, another spin. Here we go with another head, huh? Oh, yeah. 3 ones, 5 and a 2 in the last 5 rounds. Like I told you before, number segments dominating last 10 rounds. No more bets, thank you so much. And another spin on the way. Wish you best of luck. Let's go. Hey, oh, 7X crazy time. I know you're there. Step forward. Give it, please, give it. 7X crazy time! Woo! We're gonna see those penguins after all, everybody. Let's go! Woohoo! It is so great to be home! And 7X on it, baby! Woo! Wow. Some say biggest wheel in the world, and now it is 7 times with topside multiplier. Woo! Decision time. Woo! Green, blue, yellow, choose the color of the flag parade. weigh what? 1,400x is the maximum one. Mwah! $105x for green, 175 blue, 70x yellow. Congratulations, everybody.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.